So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is itatanim natin itong mga ito siya. And at the same time, gusto ko kasi during winter, mamamatay pero tutubo ulit siya during spring and summer. So, I like this. We're gonna actually get a little bit of this kasi madali lang siya mag-spread and tumubo. Here on this side, we will plant this plant. Ayan. Dito natin siya ilalagay sa gilid ng bahay. Ito siya. Actually, ginamitan ko lang itong ating pala. Madali lang siya actually yung kalong. At napakadali niyang lumago. So, maganda siya dito sa gilid-gilid. Parang garden. So, ito yung tatanim natin ngayon. Here it is. There are my squash. They are seeds. Ito yung tinanim natin na kalabasa or squash. They're right here. There's more right there. They already have sprouts. They're actually very easy to plant. Ito naman yung ating potatoes or patatas. So, meron din kamote. I'm not sure if the kamote or sweet potato is gonna grow. I'm still waiting right now. This after like a week or 5 to 7 days. At the same time, pwede mo siyang itanim. You can plant it actually in this big pots like this. Laki na actually nila. Gusto. Kasi ito nung winter pinasok ko. But then, since summer na at hindi na malamig, nilabas ko na sila and ayan lumalaki na at nag-grow yung sprouts, so that's really good. We have our wild blackberries. Gusto itong kainin ng mga ibon. Ayan so it's right there. Right there. Nakikita nyo yung mga tanim ko. So andun siya Ito siya sa may gilid ng fence. Ito yung ating wild blackberries. Ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan. Kita nyo ba? Parang hindi siya nagpo-focus yung kanya. Ayun, there you go. So, ganyan. Paborito ito ng mga ibon, but you could actually eat it. Ayan, ang dami na niya actually mga bunga. Ayan siya So, try to get...
What will you say about your giraffe?
This is the potato plant. We have some more right here and we're waiting for it to sprout.
No. When I get here. Mom.
So we're gonna plant the garlic and onion and at the same time the ginger here, and this is small area. We don't really need a big garden or area to plant those. Good thing about garlic and ginger and at the same time the onions that they grow even on cold places, especially during winter. So we're putting holes. So we're putting the garlic this way. here. Another one right here. I'm just gonna put another one here. This side and this side.
Watch out, there's gonna be a spider. Again. He's gonna bite you. I know. There's garlic everywhere. Oh,
What's this?
Ma.
So this is the whole garden. It's actually full of weeds right now. This is where we plant our garlic and onion. As you can see right there. That's the onion. And then the ginger we'll see after a week. Also an update doon sa weed killer and spreader natin. You know what, guys? Our lawn is much more healthier look. Ito na siya. As you can see, that is our lawn. It was really unhealthy before, pero better na siya after almost 2 to 3 weeks. Nawala actually yung mga weeds. Yung mga dandelions na yung mga ganito, guys. Ayan. So, actually, paubos na sila. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is itatanim natin ito.